We are back with another episode of Under 2 Minutes. Last time we showed you workspaces, how to customize the workspace, and customize your toolbar to make it your very own. But now let's show you some things that you can't see just by looking at the toolbar. So let's drag this toolbar over, make it a little bit easier to see. Now if you look, some of these tools have a little arrow in the bottom right hand corner. What this means is there are tools underneath and they are nested. That's their home. They live inside that little box. And how you see them is by clicking down and holding the mouse button. So now you can see the nested tools. Many tools have a lot nested. I know it might seem like a lot to take in, but the easiest way to show the nested tools is to click and hold and drag over to this little right hand side where there's an arrow. When it's highlighted, if you let go, it's going to unnest these tools and show you exactly what's there. Now you can easily access them at any time. If you double click the top, it will change the orientation of the tools and you can lock these to your actual toolbar. So you can unnest and lock as many things as you want. They kind of magnetize just to make it a little bit easier for you to navigate around Illustrator and work with what you need.